Finding your personal shopper in China, a simple guide. Hi there folks, today we dive into the world of personal shopping in China. As we have chatted about it in our past videos, you can snag some serious deals on products in China compared to what you would pay locally. This makes shopping directly from China pretty sweet deal. In fact, loads of people already on board with this. Just look at the Chinese international students around you. They shipping all sorts of stuffs from China every year, from electronics to personal items and even food like instant noodles. You might be thinking, are we still in the intro? No, we are actually hit the main point. And the first and best personal shopper I want to introduce to you is right on your nose. International students around you. They from China and they know how to navigate the Chinese payment system. And they have got the shipping company down pat. In other words, they are in the same boat as you and have already found the way. What if you don't have any international students around you? You are not the social butterfly type. No worries, you can still find a personal shop through a couple other channels. First, social media. Social media is gold mine for information. Think Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Just put China personal shopper into the search bar and you are off the race. Second, online marketplace. Place like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancers.com designed to connect you with freelancers, making it a breeze to find a reliable personal shopper. Working with freelancers on these platforms is a piece of cake. You can post a job with your needs and requirements, and freelancers will bid on your project with their services and prices. You can then check out their profiles, work experience, and clients' reviews to see if they good fit. You can also chat with them to make sure they understand what you are looking for. Another way is to search for services offered by these freelancers. For example, on Fiverr, you can find the right person by searching for keywords like China personal shopper. You will get a bunch of results. But remember to verify the authenticity of these service providers. One cool thing about online marketplace is that they usually verify the freelancers' identities with the government-approved documents. Plus, they provide payment and dispute resolution merchandise to help ensure your transactions are safe and reliable. Online marketplaces are a fantastic place to find personal shoppers, but keep in mind, they do charge service fees, which can vary. Typically, personal shoppers will check the prices of the products you need in China, calculate shipping fees inside China from the seller to the address of the freelancers, convert the cost to US dollar and add their service fees and platform fees to give you a total price. Just keep in mind that the platform will charge a service fee for each transaction. Alright, we have talked much about it and now let's give it a shot. We will hop on Fiverr and search for a China personal shopper. Only 18 results and just one person online? That's me. Is this a dud? Not worries, let's try another keyword that aligns with Chinese language habit. Buy from China. Here we go. Now we have got 417 results. That's more like it. Let's start by best-selling. You can see the seller's rating, the number of reviews. This part is super important as it gives you a glimpse into past customers' experience with the personal shopper and orders in queue. Okay, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks on finding the best personal shopper and buy from China. And maybe some other cool topics. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you.